Today we are going to be giving Zeus the Nerf flyer. Sit down, buddy. Zeus doesn't have the greatest history with Frisbees, although he does love Frisbees. It's one of his favorite toys. So we're gonna give Zeus this Nerf flyer and see how he does with it. Hold on, down, down. You ready? We got bite marks in it. It's only been 10 minutes. We haven't even thrown this for very long, so I don't think this is gonna last too long, but we'll use it while we can. Huh, buddy? Sorry, buddy. Roscoe said it's time to take a break. Doing with that? Wow. Really, Zeus? You weren't supposed to have this. Well, I guess at this point, I'm just gonna let him have it and see how long it will last. Do you have a ball in your mouth too? You do. That is greedy, buddy. You taking a break, buddy? Yep, it still flies. Even though we chewed it, I mean, it's still usable. You just probably won't want your dog to have free time with the Frisbee, especially if he's big like Zeus.